Today I'm going to do a review on a MagMax 2 from Ozone. Amazing glider. I'm located right now in Brazil in a quarantine, having fun on the coast, flying every day, and then I encountered this glider and I have to fly. I asked the owner and I did amazing images. Take a look. Designed primarily for foot-launched tandem paramotor, the MagMax 2 can also be used with the lightweight trike units. It's a certified ENB in both 38 and 41 sizes. The MagMax 2 is suitable for experienced qualified tandem pilots. Okay, some specs from this flight. Total weight 210 kilos, and I'm flying a Parajet Zenith Monster 185, and the wind conditions it's around 20 plus. Yeah, it's a very windy day and I love it. It's very easy to inflate it, and the glider sets in my head right away. Very stable. I have to use a little anchor with my friend here because the wind was strong, and then I take off it very easy, very smooth. It's very easy to handle this glider. It's look like I'm flying a Roadster 3. The brakes, it's amazing. Very light pressure, don't make you tired, and I even did some stunts in the first time I flew that glider. This glider is a machine that you can have fun with your partner or friends, or even in a school doing tandem instruction lessons. It's amazing. I did some wingovers, also very sharp curves, and even spiral. To ski with the glider is amazing. They responded very stable. I can feel it, the glider, like an extension of my body. I'm gonna let you enjoy the images. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment area.